Hello, this is our dance short series and today's move is jazz square. This move might look a bit complicated to start with, but I promise you it's really easy and fun to perform. Before we start, let's imagine a square on the floor and place our feet on the bottom two corners of this square such that they are in a slightly wider stance. Now we are going to try and reach to all the four corners of the square, starting with our left leg. So I'm going to cross over my left leg to reach the top right corner of the square. So I go one, then I reach the top left corner of the square with my right leg, crossing over my left leg. So we go two. Now we take our left leg back to the left bottom corner, 3, and bring our right leg back to the right bottom corner, 4. That's it. That's actually it. So let's try that one more time. Cross, cross, back, back. This is an easier way to remember this step. Just say cross, cross, back, back. And there you go. Now this time, let's try to lift and place our leg to the corners. So I go 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. Isn't that easy? Now to make this a little more interesting, you can add some level variations. You can bend a little bit while you cross and then stand up straight when you come back. So we can go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's jazz square, guys. Let's try it with some music. That's the move, guys. Make sure you have fun with it. Don't complicate it a lot. Just groove along and add your style to this. That's it for today. If you want to look at more such videos, check out the links in our description box. Have a good day. Bye bye.
Thanks for watching. If you've liked our video,
Do like, share, subscribe and click the bell icon.
stay tuned.